Have you ever spent hours staining your deck only to have it peel, fade, or just look awful? If so, you're not alone. Choosing the wrong stain is one of the most common and expensive DIY mistakes. But don't worry, today we are fixing all of that. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly which stain is best for your deck and why. Let's break it down together. First of all, let's explain the science behind stains. Stain obviously works by soaking into the wood. It bonds with the fibers and it creates a layer of protection. I want you to think of the wood on your deck like a sponge. Some stains will sink deep inside, while others are going to sit more on the surface. The deeper it goes, the longer it'll last. Now there's two main categories when it comes to stain. There's oil-based and water-based. Each one works a little bit differently, and choosing the right one depends on your wood type, climate, and how much maintenance you're willing to do. But before we dive in, let's talk transparency levels. We can start with a clear stain. This offers the least amount of protection, but it really does a nice job enhancing the beauty of the wood. Best for new decks and if you really want to show off that grain. Then we move to semi-transparent. This personally is one of my favorites. It provides a really nice balance between showing the wood grain and adding color. These penetrate really well and last longer than a clear stain. Then we go to semi-solid. This is going to hide more of the grain, but it does a better job offering UV protection and durability. But here's just my own personal thinking on semi-solid stains, and that is, I don't like them. And here's why. They just look like a bad paint job. I mean, you look at it, you can kind of see through it, but yet it's still kind of solid. It just looks like it needs one more coat. But it is a look that people must like. Give me your thoughts in the comments below. And finally, we have solid stains. This essentially looks like a coat of paint. These do provide the most protection, yet can peel over time. Now let's take a look and let's compare oil-based versus water-based stains. Let's start with oil-based. We'll look at the pros and cons. I want you to imagine pouring olive oil onto a paper towel. It seeps in slowly and will eventually fully saturate the fibers. See, that's exactly what oil-based stains are designed to do. They penetrate deeply, offering excellent protection against water and UV rays. So here are the pros. They soak into the wood, preventing peeling. It enhances the natural grain with a rich, warm look. They tend to last a little bit longer in harsher conditions, and it repels water by filling the pores. Once the oil saturates the wood, there's no space left for the water to be able to soak in. For that reason, it prevents swelling, warping, and rot. The cons: it takes longer to dry. It can potentially attract mildew in more humid climates, and it requires more cleanup, meaning that you have to use harsh chemicals instead of water to clean your tools. Now let's take a moment and we'll consider water-based stains pros and cons. Now I want you to picture a rain jacket. A rain jacket repels water, keeping moisture on the surface instead of absorbing it. That's how water-based stain works. It forms a protective film on top of the wood, whereas oil is going to penetrate deep and fill the pores. So you can see these two different types of technologies take a very different approach when it comes to protecting your wood. Let's look at the pros of water-based stain. First, it dries really fast, which is absolutely wonderful for a quick project. It also resists mold and mildew a lot better. And finally, it's super easy to clean up. You can do it with soap and water. The cons are it can more easily peel if it isn't applied correctly. It doesn't last as long before needing a recoat, and it can potentially look a little duller when compared to its oil-based counterparts. Here's another key difference. Oil-based stains contain natural or synthetic oils that slowly cure as oxygen interacts with them. This slow curing process allows them to soak deep within the wood fibers. This in turn will give you long-lasting protection. Water-based stains, on the other hand, they rely on acrylic and urethane resins. This forms a film on the surface. These resins dry as water evaporates, which is why they set up so much faster than their oil-based counterparts. The plus side is this makes these coatings a lot more breathable, helping to prevent moisture buildup within the wood. But the truth is, not all stains are created equally, and some brands really stand out when it comes to durability and ease of application. Here are my personal top recommendations. For oil base, I like the PPG Pro Lux. This used to be a Sikkens product before PPG bought them. However, in my own personal opinion, I feel that PPG cheapened it slightly since they purchased it a few years ago. But even with that being said, it truly is still one of the best oil-based stains on the market today. Great for deep penetration and long-term durability. Then I would recommend Sherwin-Williams Super Deck Oil. This is a great workhorse stain that really does a good job. And finally, the Cabot Australian Timber Oil. It's ideal for hardwoods like teak or mahogany, but also looks really good on cedar. And the good thing about this is you can get it practically anywhere. Now some recommendations for water-based stains. The first one is Benjamin Moore Wood Lux water-based stain. I'm going to say this company really knows how to make a good product, and they truly are one of the best on the market. The next one sounds a little dirty, so ladies, stay away. And that is TWP Natural Effect Impregnating Stain. Yep, they actually wrote that on the label. Now, even though the 12-year-old inside me is kind of giggling, this product is no laughing matter. It really is seriously good. They use iron oxide pigments. These stains also contain UV absorbers, and they're extremely resistant to solar radiation. Then we have Sherwin-Williams Super Deck Exterior Waterborne. Once again, another workhorse product, but one thing I really like about this one is you can get it with their Cool Feel technology. This actually helps to reduce the surface temperature by up to 20 degrees when compared to conventional color technology. This is a big plus if you're a person who likes to walk on their deck barefoot in the hot sun. So what's the best stain for you? Well, the answer to that actually depends. If you want deeper penetration and a longer lifespan, then I would go with the oil-based products. If you're looking for something that's quick and easy to maintain, water-based is going to be your best bet. Also, you need to remember to choose the right transparency level based on how much wood grain you want to show. Either way, choosing the right stain will save you time, money, and a lot of frustration down the road. If you found this helpful, please make sure you subscribe. We'll see you next time.